Hello, brother. This machine ready, and today I will test this machine with a real door. This real door. This door we bought from door factory in China, our customer, and they produce many door and they are stock machine. This is metal plates of the machine. Okay, the L1, L2, L3 and neutral 4 wires you need to connect. This is a lubricator. You need to add some lubricator inside. If less lubricator, there is a B alarming. There are 4 spindles servo motor. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 4 spindles. You need also connect air from here, and the air pressure required from 0.6 to 0.8. The same with the edge bending machine. Okay, now I'm going to take a working video. In this video, I will show you how to work with the machine. Okay, the first of all, you need to connect the electricity and the air, and you can open by this button. On. This is start. When start, the machine will show alarming information. Machine need rest. That means you need get the machine back to orange position. You need to press this button. All home. Machine will go back to orange position automatically. Okay, now machine back to orange position. That is home position we call it. 调整那个压轮. Then I will move the machine to the middle of the door, and we need clamping. We need to get these two pressure down on your panel because the door thickness are different. We use 42. You can adjust the height of the two pressure by this. Yeah, adjust the pressure height manually. Okay. Yeah. The pressure cannot be moved by hand. That means the height is proper. Let's go up. And press this menu. You find the door lock pattern. This door lock body, and go inside. And calling the program, we have input your lock pattern and hinge pattern into our system. Press this serial number 1 and confirm. It will calling your data information, and that is all the data of your door lock size. What you need to do is adjust the X from the door. From this side, the door top edge of the door. The X means from this door top to the middle of the door lock. Okay, usually we here in China we set X size 950 millimeter, and the thickness of the door is 42, and the length of the door is 2220. Okay, we set them like this. When you change different door size, you need to change them these 3 as well. And you can notice all the size of different door. For example, door lock thickness we already input. Now we can open. We already get the machine test.
启动一下。
Okay, just press this button, start.
或者是点它也可以。
Now the machine working automatically. You can set the engrooving first or engrooving later. Now the grooving finish. The grooving finish. Now it's trimming the edge. Trimming the edge. It's drilling the hole.给它量一下那个尺寸，主要的尺寸就行。
它就吹了。
Now I'm going to measure the size of the door lock hole. There's no broken edge on the edge, no broken, very good. And the edge is also very good. $23. Thickness is 3.7. Okay. $3.7, $3.4.
这个是
The length
196
196. 196. The middle of the lock hole to the top is 46.
一样的。
46. Two hole center distance 83, 84. 84, 83. Yeah, should be 85. Yeah, 85. Yeah, in the middle. Okay, okay. Hello brother, in this video I'll show you how we can drill the hinge holes. And in last video I show you the door lock hole drilling. And from this menu you need back and choose hinge. And you can find different hinge tab and the rectangle hinge. Choose this one and calling the program. This is your size about your hinges. Choose serial number 2, confirm, and in this it will show you the thickness of the door and the first hinge size from the top of the door to the hinge edge. I said 250 millimeter. The second hinge is from the top to the hinge is 800 millimeter, and I choose 2 hinges. Of course, you can set 3 hinges, 4 hinges, and you can change different size of different hinges. And I will show you 2 hinges. You can change the side from front, and you can change the hinge from top, middle, and the bottom. I usually choose the top. This is door length 2220, and this is your hinge size. The length is 101. The hinge depth is 3 millimeter, and the hinge width is 31. Now I choose. When you confirm everything, you can press this button, start up. If you find any problem, you can press this button, pause. The machine will stop action to the safety position, but the motor will keep running. And you can press this reset. The machine will go back to the orange position or go to the home position. And also, if you have emergency happened, you just press this emergency stop. The machine will stop immediately. Okay, now we can just press this button and this button. The first hinge. From the top, the size from the hinge edge to the top is 250. The machine will use small drilling bits and get engraving on the edge first, and this milling will mill to 3 millimeter depth. 2 steps for each hinge making. And the second hinge is 1,800 millimeter. Come here. It's too long. I need to set, maybe I need to set 1,200 or 1,500. And you can also change the drilling speed by here. The parameter. You can change the speed. You can change the drilling speed by here. I will set factory side 80. The maximum speed 100, and we factory side 80. You can change yourself. But we suggest you 80. Later I will change this to the 80. I will measure the size. $250.
101。
101.
101，怕3道。
101. Hello, friend. There are 4 spindles, 4 motor. That means there are 4 drilling bits. If you want to change one of them, or if you want to change all of them, the blades, the drilling bits, you can see T1, T2, T6, T5. Which one you want to change the drilling bits, you need to do the tool setting. Now I'm going to show you how to do the automatic tool setting. First, choose this program, parameter, and you find this knife, and there will be password. Input the password, you can go into this menu. You find this auto tool setting. Okay, in this you find the spindle you want, the drilling bit you want to do the tool setting. That means which one you change the drilling bits, you need to find the, for example, let's number 5, T5. This big milling, suppose this big milling drilling bits you change, and you need to find this to this. Okay. Okay, choosing 5. Okay, black color, that means you choose number 5. And then you need to put this tool setting like this. Like this. T6, T5 auto tool setting, you need to get this tool setting vertically. No, horizontally. If you want to change the drilling bits, the T1, T2, you need to put this tool setting like this. Okay? Put this. Okay. Now, I want to do the tool setting for the number 5, T5. And next, you need to move this press roller, the first press, to the left, because when you do the tool setting, the press roller will go down. If this press roller go down, this press roller will scratch this tool. So that's why I will move the the left press roller to the left of the tool. Firstly, from here you need to move press roller to this position at least. Okay, now you choose tool setting and find number 5 and choose this 1K to knife. Okay, as you can see, the press roller go down. It will move to the correct position automatically, and it will do the tool setting automatically. Okay, easy, right?